guys, and you're working on your RV and you have leakage in the back. So the most common issue with this, guys, are these things get cracked, and no, you ain't not able to glue this thing. It's glued to this mechanism. You can probably take it off, glue it, but it's rather just replace the whole part. It's around like $16 on Amazon. You can get it the next day. It's better to replace it than glue it. Trust me, it's not worth it. There's a lot of pressure goes here. You can see there's a white line, and there's that crack right there. Pretty common on this toilets, RV toilets, to have those go bad. Not sure if this one was winterized or not, but pretty easy, simple. It just only takes one screw right there. The screw's here, and then you push it out, pull this up, and then push it out, and then this is what screws it in from the bottom. Kind of looks bad, but yeah, this is where part you need to replace. It's called the toilet valve, and it's only $16, guys. Totally worth it. Change it out, and at least you have no problems there. Again, take care, guys. Hope this helps, and give me a thumbs up and like. Thanks, guys. Bye.